How to show the music player widget or controls on your lock screen. And this is for the Nothing Phone 2 with Android 15 Nothing OS. So if you have any other Nothing phones with Android 15, this should work the same. If you're currently playing an offline song on your phone with a music player app and you want to be able to control the song from the lock screen, you want to turn on this setting. So to do this, use the quick access here and you want to pull it down 2 times until you see this settings right there. Now, once you get into the main settings of your Nothing phone, you'll want to go to the part that says security and privacy right here. While here, go all the way down to the very bottom until you see more security and privacy. As you enter here now, you'll see this here, you'll see this option here, and then you'll see show media on lock screen. This is the setting you want to turn on, which will allow you to get access to the control media player on your lock screen while playing. So I'll show you now here quickly when it's on like this here, you can see that it's actually there for you to access. So if this guide helped, like and sub.